Hey, welcome to our camping setup. We got this Swedish camping stove here. Pretty easy. We got it because it has a sleek, minimal design. So, if you want to come over here. It's like a flame you'd see at like a fondue cover. And it's just fondue fuel. And then we got a pan and 2 pots. Pretty good. And just cut some peppers here. We're going to be making a black bean salad. You don't really need the fuel for the salad, but we got it, so we're just gonna cook the corn and the red beans, red peppers I mean. Just add in some salt, press the camping backpack. And it's important to use a wooden or a plastic tool when you're cooking on non-stick. Unless you like cans, I don't. So yeah, we're gonna let those roast down and then we're gonna air all the canned stuff. Just gotta make sure all that guts out of there. So next on the burner here, we're putting in some whole kernel niblets here. No salt added, just corn. And same kind of thing, we're gonna roast them until they're pretty black. Try our best here. Again, it doesn't really matter because it's camping, you know, everything tastes better when you're camping inside. One tip I would do is you gotta bring a better knife than this. This is really slow, but you know, out here, forest time, doesn't matter, you know, wake up, make some brecco, cut some green onions for an hour, you know. Doesn't matter, time's irrelevant out here in the woods with the boys. So to most people, this avocado would look pretty brown. You'd probably throw it out or something, but just cut it in half. That's just the base layer there. And just cut that right out. Brand new-ish. So the dressing here is pretty simple. An orange, some jalapeno brine and jalapeno, salt and pepper, garlic powder. Oil-free living, you know? I'm just gonna make it in this nice Riesling glass, I think. Now with a little bit of garlic powder. Probably like half a teaspoon. And we're hitting it with some salt. And some pea. And some pea. Forgot to add some brine, so I'm just adding some organic jalapeno brine. In case you're wondering, everything we make is organic, so don't worry about it. If you like it extra spicy, feel free to put some more jalapenos in. Now I'm gonna add the corn in. It's not as roasted as you want. Better if it's like at home. Can't want them all. This would be great as like a burrito filling or tacos, but we're on gluten-free today. And the best part about our campsite is this river here. Just to rinse up right here. I'm not using any soap or any of those environmentalists out there. Just water. Rinse it off with my hands, pretty easy. Gets off most of it, you know, it's just vegetables, so it's not gonna kill anyone. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys like it. And comment down below to see what I should cook next.